So I've been checking out this video before, spreading the joy of laughter on a train. And I know it's supposed to be like a wholesome video about people that just spreading laugh and love. And I can see it from the comments. But something really cringy going on here. I mean, basically this guy is going to talk on the phone and not saying anything, just laugh, and other people laugh. And I was like, if I'm gonna be in this train, there's no way I'm gonna just look at that. I think it's staged. Like you put a lot of people on train, somebody is laughing, so everybody's starting to laugh. Looks staged. I can find myself laughing. It sounds insane, like ridiculous. Stupid. I feel stupid when I'm watching this. It's like the Joker from the Batman. It's like insanity. Nothing is funny. I think it's staged. I think there are like 10 people from those laughing workshops or whatever it is, which is really strange. I think they just put some of them there. I couldn't hear what he was saying. This is so crazy. How come this video got 28 million views?
No, it's been a tough day, man. It's been a tough day. Yeah, love it too, man. Alright, see you soon. Bye.
You see, look at the pirate guy. I think that he is like, they're all in this together, like in a laugh group or something. Weirdos.
Oh, wow.
Smile and watch the world smile with you. That's really awesome.